didn't have ABS-CBN Ball this year. So I think this is really the only time everyone's going to come together, and especially with the supporters, to see everyone in the same venue. It's really I think event of Thanksgiving, and of just being grateful that we're all still here. We all had a great year.
Right. Thank you guys. Photo lang po. Interview. Ginoke ko pa kayo na magka-holding hands ba kayo sa ilalim ng mesa?
Oo nga, no?
Di ba? Naalala ko yun. Ngayon ba, you're free to hold hands together?
Yeah, I can hold your hand. Yeah. I think me and Belle we're very comfortable with each other, and anything I can do to just be supportive to her, to just make sure she's okay. I always ask her naman, what can I do also to be better, or you know, stuff like that. How can I help you also?
Right.
In everything, in the show, how can I help you be a better teammate? Yung ganun. So we do have those conversations, right?
Yeah, all I can say is I'm always here for him.
Mas kikiligin pa tayo sa kanila because we are going to get up close and personal with them. And with that, we now open the floor to our media friends na nandito po ngayon. Alright. So, have a seat sa ating ambassadors. Madam Belle, po tayo. Okay. Sobrang kanina ma'am, ngayon atin naging madam. Okay. So, ngayon dito tayo sa ating media friends. Alright. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune. Nasaan po si Sir PJ? Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ? Hey.
Hello?
Ayun.
Hola, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Ayun.
Okay. So, first of all, congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay, madam.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Felipe, of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Belle. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
For context, Sir Felipe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yun daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green? Tama po?
Yeah, my question is for Don Bell and also
for Don Bell muna. Okay, for Don Bell muna. Okay.
Intense red
or cool green.
Or cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sakto sa suit natin?
Parang both eh. Both? Yeah. So, bakit naging both?
Mix ng minsan kailangan...
Being intense and cool at the same time.
Oo, gano'n.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay. So, totoo ba yun, Sir Felipe? Is that true?
Saan napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi... chill lang ako eh, so I think cool green. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh. Sir Josh?
Hi.
Okay, hi, Sir Josh.
Hi, good afternoon. Question for Don Bell. This is not your first partnership with Close Up. What keeps the two of you coming back to collaborate with the brand?
Collaborating. Yeah, we've done a couple of projects now with Close Up, even projects abroad, diba? I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa naming music video na to. First time natin gumawa ng music video na may choices. Tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Yes.
Diba? Parang yung audience yung pipili ng next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership, it's always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer. And we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that
we both endorse a brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really used to use Close Up, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of their family, of course. And closer to everyone here, so yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Josh. Okay, sino po ang may questions for our ambassadors? Andyan po ang ating microphone, I think. We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasaan po si Miss Jessica? Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hi, first of all po, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Don Bell.